guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's kind of a different video. It's not a tutorial. You can see that I'm making a box for my first ever order on my Etsy shop. In my previous vlog I mentioned that maybe I'll be opening an Etsy shop, so yeah, it happened. It's not opened, it's more of like a reopening because I had this account since 2019, but I couldn't get around much to do any sales or anything. I opened it on June 21st, and within 24 hours of making my first listing, which was the kitty and bunny plushes that I made, I am very happy to say I got my very first order. At first, I didn't believe that this was a real order because as soon as I listed my first listing, I got scammed. I will share it hopefully in my video where I'm gonna talk about my first month experience on Etsy. After confirming that this is a real order, I was very happy and surprised. This is the kitty plushie that Lucy ordered. So Lucy, if you are watching this, thank you so much, and I'm very grateful that you kept your trust in me because my shop had 0 sales and it was new and I only had 1 listing because I was just starting to add listings to my shop. So I was very grateful to receive this order, and of course I added so many freebies because it was so special. To be honest, I was having almost 0 sales for the past few months. Like I got like 1 or 2 orders here and there, and because of that I just finally decided to give a go on my Etsy shop, which was like haven't been touched in so many years. And this order was so special for me. I was honestly expecting to have no orders for a month or two, but yeah, this made me so happy. And my goal for this first month on Etsy is to have at least 5 sales, plushies, pattern wise, anything, just 5 sales. It's been like 2 weeks since I opened my shop. Yesterday I got another order for my froggy coaster pattern, which was also a tutorial on YouTube. So for those who want a written pattern, a printable, you can head over to my Etsy and grab it. But don't worry if you don't have money, I have a written pattern up on my blog, which was, once again, I'm so sorry I didn't have any time to update my blog with any other new patterns. I will as soon as possible. My main target right now is to update my Etsy shop with few new listings, which includes plushies as well as my patterns. Okay, so here you can see that I am checking whether my kitty is ready to go to its new home. Of course, she has to say the goodbyes to her friends, Bunny and Froggy. Okay, the goodbyes are over. By the time I'm editing this video, you might have not received it yet, but I hope that you'll receive Kitty soon. I make all the boxes for now because I don't get that many orders and I don't have enough space in my home to store everything, so I just have the boards, and whenever I get an order I make a box. Here I'm using a normal A4 paper to get like the shredded, how do you call it, I don't know what the term is, like I'm getting the paper shredded to like add into the box. as a means of decoration. Maybe I'll change the packaging, but for now, this is the way I packed the order. Here I'm adding it and making it kind of like a bed to keep the little kitty on. Bye bye, my little baby. I hope you enjoy your new place. And also, I'm sending off this little red bee as a gift. Now I'm adding my thank you card, my certificate of adoption, and also I'm adding in a sticker pack that I made, Pokey. These are not in my shop anymore, but I have a few left, and since this order was so special to me, I decided to send her one of my little sticker packs too. After that, I'm gonna make a little bow with the what do you call that string, the rope string, is it? I honestly don't know what they are called. For the final finishing touches, I decided to add in a ribbon. These things have been with me for a long time, the ribbon, the strings and everything. I had these purple ribbons, so I have two others packed today. I used one half for this, and I honestly think that this looks pretty with a ribbon on it, so that's why I decided to add a ribbon. I should really follow a defined procedure for my packages because not all of my packages look the same. Okay, it's done. That was my first order on Etsy, and next we are going to pack this cute little Luffy, Chibi Luffy, which was a local custom order. Look at this little shirt that I made for him. I was really excited to complete this plushie too because this is my second character that I made. The first one being a little doll for my sister's birthday, and since then I didn't make any character plushies. A girl wanted to get this made for her boyfriend, who is a huge One Piece fan, obviously you could say, and I enjoyed a lot making this. For this too, I had to make another box. These boxes doesn't look so great like professional boxes because I make them and I'm not good at making boxes. After I finished making the box, I added my thank you card and some freebie stickers to her order. Normally, I am a bit reluctant to make custom plushies because it's a kind of difficult for me to give an exact price for customs because obviously if it's a custom I have never made it before and I don't know how much time it would take me. If you ask me whether I'd like to do customs or sell ready-made items, I would like to sell ready-made ones, and if it's a custom, I would like to do custom orders for the plushies that I have already made so that I know how much time I will be spending on it and give the exact price. So pricing a plushie is one of the biggest challenges I face especially when doing customs. Okay, as you can see, the box is not perfect and it's just the right fit. Anyways, I finalized this package with my thank you sticker, my happy meal sticker, and adding in a ribbon. This is the other half of that purple ribbon which I used to pack my Etsy order, but I felt like it's too small, so I used another thin multicolored ribbon which I had with me for like almost a year or two now. This package is already with its owner. The other one is still in transit because international orders they take about a month at least to get to their destination. And yeah, thank you once again for supporting me, and thank you all for joining in for this chitty chatty little video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.